Hi everybody, this is Khashayar, and today I want to write a game called Snake. Of course you're familiar with this game. There is a snake running around and eating apples and increasing the size, and when you collide with yourself or go out of the board, you will die. There are of course many versions of this game, and you can expand it to many different areas. Like you can add two snakes, three snakes, you can use some blocks, or it's up to you. But we are going to write the kind of original one, and I'm going to use Turtle module for graphic, and surprisingly Turtle module is very strong module, and it's enough strong for writing some arcade games, like for example the Snake paddle game, some animations to some level, for example, or memory tile game, color lines, something like that. It's enough strong. It's almost good as Pie game, and we need to use other modules as well, and also we need to use Mixer from Pie game for sounds, because it's if you are in Windows you can use of course WinSound module, but you will get a lot of interruption for that, and in Linux you have to call the system sounds, and working with Mixer it's much more easy, and we will have much better quality, and we won't get any interruption between this running two programs. Okay, first import our modules. So import turtle. We might need time. Actually we can also use the untimer function from Turtle, but we will see. Time random, and also we are going to need math, and from Pygame import Mixer. Yeah. And let's create our screen equal turtle dot screen, not this one, turtle dot screen. When you use Turtle, normally it will pop up your screen. For example, when you say okay, pen equal turtle pen move forward or whatever. But when we want to have a screen, you can use the screen method. You can specify the background, you can specify the size of the screen, you can specify where you want to have your screen pop up, in the right side and the left side, exactly where on the screen you want to have it. And also one important function you can use is screen tracer to control the speed of animation drawing of the turtle. We will get there. So turtle.screen, and let's run it. Say run, and where is it? Snake game, not this one. This one, alright. Called snake Python 3 snake.py. You'll see for a short moment it's pop up and go back and disappear. So to have our screen for now, we can use turtle.main loop function, and we can keep it on. It's not going to disappear. later when we write our own game loop, we are not going to need the main loop anymore. This is temporary. Alright, now screen dot setup. With setup function you can specify the size of your screen. We call it 800 and for example 700. Let's see where it will pop up. I shouldn't close that. Python 3 snake pi. It go all the way to the right and fit the right side of the screen. Then we can take it a little bit to the left side and we call it, for example, 100 here, there, and when we 0, it will be completely to the left side. Yeah, okay. Now let's see, what about the screen dot background color? We can write black, and you have to use this parameter here as a string, and you can find out all the available colors for Turtle online. Now we have black screen, and now I'm not going to use a screen tracer. I will leave it for later when we have something to draw in. Now let's create one simple class to have our board. This we create our screen. Now we need to have a board. Of course we can draw the board very easy by some for loop. Actually we are going to use some for loop for drawing the screen, but I mean we can also use very normal function and create our board. But the purpose of this tutorial is also a little bit introducing to like an introduction to classes. So let's create one class board. The difference is because we are going to use Turtle methods, we need to have Turtle inside our class. So we have to pass it here, Turtle into the class and find init self. Here we have to initiate the Turtle as an object like self. So there is two ways. One, we can go with this long code as Turtle dot init self, and another way is what I'm going to tell you. But for now, let's configure our Turtle specifically for our board. Self dot hide Turtle means we are going to hide the pen. Self dot pen up means when we are going to move the Turtle here and there on the board, it's not going to draw anything. Self dot pen color will be what color we can choose for our board, something happy like orange. And self dot pen size, some pen size 2, and self dot speed. This is the speed of the pen. Of course you should know this. And let's find the position. Now the starting position for our pen should be where we are going to start to draw our border, and which is like a frame. So self.setPosition, self.set position. Also we can write position or set pos. Minus 275 and again minus 275. You know, Turtle use Cartesian coordinations, means you have 0 on the center, up and right is positive, down and left is negative. And not like a Pygame, because in Pygame you have 0 0 on top left corner and everything increased to the down bottom right corner. And here we have 0 minus 275 minus 275, and then we want to start somewhere in lower left side of the screen. And for now, let's create an object from this class. We call it board equal board. If we don't get any error. Alright, nothing happened because we didn't do anything. We just created a class. We wrote a class. That's it. But let's see if where is standing. Let's for now comment this out and see where is our turtle. Our turtle is black. Turtle itself is black. No. The pen color. What about when we call it white? Can we see it? Okay. Our pen down. Can we see it? Right. It should be somewhere around here. We will see shortly. Okay. Black. And now let's write a method here. We call it find_draw self, and how we can easily draw a border for us on our screen or window. We call it for I in range 4, self.pen down, self.forward 550. I already calculate this distances, and self.left 90 degree, and self.pen up. So it means you start in this position, go 550 forward, go to the left again, go 550, go to the left, go 550, go to the left, go 550, go to the left, back to the starting point and pen up. Again, nothing happened because we have to call the method. So here we call it and this turtle, this main loop should be down at the bottom of the, and here we can say a board which we created as an object dot draw. Here we have our frame. Okay, in next video I'm going to create another class, a snake class, and its methods, where we start to move it, and we need to cover a lot of things about turtle in this tutorial. So Thanks for watching and see you in next video.